everybody, how's it going? Another subscribers art video featuring Toby Tyler from Hendersonville, North Carolina. Toby and I have been following each other for quite some time online. Became pretty good buddies. We talk a lot and discuss things about window painting and life and all kinds of things. He's the nicest guy you'll ever want to meet. Very considerate, very caring of others. Does a great job. But beyond all that, his artwork is phenomenal. He does great characters and a lot of motion, a lot of animation, expression, and he has a good sense of design, composition, and layout. And I especially love these trees. Oh my gosh, I love the trees and how he does the nose and makes them the foreshortening and stuff. And they're just the coolest. I love them. And I also love this Mr. and Mrs. Snowman character with the design around it, the circular design. And their arms. I love the way he does wood. It's just so cool looking. And his scarecrows and just everything. It's wonderful stuff. Anyway, I don't want to talk too long, but I just wanted to mention that. And so let's take a look at some of his window splashes, and then after that I'm going to show you some more cutouts and more signs and other stuff too. All right, check it out.